Hey guys, this just got done. It's like a little stash jar, or um, you can put your medicine in there. You can put your pills in there. You can put your uh, yeah. It's a little bit big. I'd have to. This screws on here is just a little tight. Getting it on there. Trying to do this with one hand. There it goes. And there you go. It's even got a little hole to put your string on or whatever. But if I want to, I'm going to have to, if you want to use this for your pill box or for your nitro pill, your heart pill and all that stuff, I'd have to make this a lot smaller so you can wear this around your neck for your nitro pills or your health pills or whatever. But I'm going to use this to probably put all my hot ends for that in it right now, or a bunch of miscellaneous screws and nuts and bolts for this or whatever. So, alrighty, starting a new print. It's going to be a bear, I hope. Have a good one. Sorry, TikTok is gone.